Namaste, this is the class of pharmacology and today we will study about basic area of pharmacology. So there are pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics which we will study. So what is pharmacokinetic? Pharmacokinetic deals with absorption, distribution, biotransformation and excretion of drug. And what is pharmacodynamic? Study of biochemicals and physiological effect of drug and their mode of action is known as pharmacodynamics. So what drug does to the body is known as pharmacodynamic, and what body does to the drug is known as pharmacokinetic. Pharmacotherapeutics, use of drug in prevention and treatment of diseases. Chemotherapy, effect of drugs upon microorganisms, parasites and neoplastic cells living and multiplying in living organisms. Toxicology, branch of pharmacology which deals with the undesirable effect of chemicals on living system. Pharmacogenomics, relationship of individual genetic makeup to his or her response to specific drugs is known as pharmacogenomics. Now let's see the history of pharmacology. Prehistoric people recognized beneficial and toxic effect of many plants and animal material. Preceding the modern era, there were attempts to introduce rational method into the medicine, but none were successful. Owning of the demonstrance of the system of throughout without experimentation and observation. So, around end of 17th century, reliance on observation and experiment begins. About 60 years ago, controlled clinical trial reintroduced expansion of clinical efforts and drug action and receptors we know. Then now the molecular mechanism of action of many drug is known, as we all know this. So let's see the application of pharmacology to control speed of onset, intensity of the drug's effect and duration of action. Hence decide on route of administration, the amount and the frequency of each dose and the dosing interval. Okay. Then to identify the possible side effect and withdrawal symptoms of drugs and take measures to manage. To avoid adverse effect from the drug interaction and contraindicated drug. To avoid observed effect in adverse effect in special population like geriatric patient population, pediatric population, pregnant and lacting mother. To avoid the treatment failure due to tolerance and resistance. To control misuse of drug by the patient and health professional. So here we complete about a history of the pharmacology and application of pharmacology. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.